Public Speaking Crash Course, Overcoming Stage Fright. Introduction. Stage fright, also known as performance anxiety, is a common fear that many people experience when speaking in front of an audience. It can manifest as physical symptoms like sweating, trembling, or a racing heart, and it can also lead to mental and emotional distress. Overcoming stage fright is essential for becoming a confident and effective public speaker. In this crash course, we will explore strategies and techniques to help you overcome stage fright and deliver impactful presentations with poise and confidence. Interesting stories or examples. 1. The nervous musician. Imagine a talented musician who has spent years honing their skills. They are incredibly talented and have the potential to create beautiful music. However, every time they step on stage, their hands shake, their heart races, and they struggle to perform at their best. Despite their talent, stage fright holds them back from fully expressing themselves and sharing their gift with the world. 2. The inspirational speaker. A passionate speaker has an important message to share with the world. They have the knowledge and expertise to make a difference in the lives of their audience. However, their fear of public speaking prevents them from stepping onto the stage and connecting with their listeners. They yearn to make an impact, but their stage fright keeps them in the shadows. Top 12 Overcoming Stage Fright Techniques/Methods. 1. Preparation and rehearsal. One of the most effective ways to overcome stage fright is through thorough preparation and rehearsal. Familiarize yourself with your material, practice your delivery, and anticipate possible questions or challenges. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel on stage. 2. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help calm your nerves and reduce anxiety. Take slow, deep breaths before and during your presentation to help regulate your heart rate and promote relaxation. 3. Visualize success. Visualize yourself delivering a successful and engaging presentation. Imagine the audience responding positively, and envision yourself feeling confident and in control. This mental rehearsal can boost your confidence and alleviate stage fright. 4. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts and self-doubt with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your skills, knowledge, and preparation. Repeat empowering statements to yourself such as, "I am confident. I am prepared, and I have valuable insights to share." 5. Gradual exposure. Gradual exposure involves gradually increasing your exposure to public speaking situations. Start with smaller, less intimidating audiences and gradually work your way up to larger groups. Each successful experience will build your confidence and help diminish stage fright. 6. Use visualization techniques. Visualize yourself as a confident and engaging speaker. Imagine yourself commanding the stage, making eye contact with the audience, and delivering your message with clarity and conviction. Visualization techniques can help reframe your mindset and reduce anxiety. 7. Engage with the audience. Instead of viewing the audience as a threat, see them as individuals who are interested in what you have to say. Engage with them by making eye contact, asking questions, and involving them in your presentation. By focusing on connecting with the audience, you shift the focus away from your own anxiety. 8. Use humor. Incorporate humor into your presentation to lighten the mood and establish a connection with the audience. Humor can help alleviate tension, engage the audience, and create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere. 9. Practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness techniques to stay present and focused during your presentation. Focus on your breathing, body sensations, and the present moment. Mindfulness can help redirect your attention away from anxious thoughts and enhance your overall stage presence. 10. Seek support. Reach out to supportive friends, family members, or colleagues who can provide encouragement and feedback. Having a support system can boost your confidence and provide valuable perspectives on your presentation. 11. Learn from experience. View each public speaking experience as an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace constructive feedback and reflect on your strengths and areas for improvement. With each presentation, you'll become more resilient and better equipped to handle stage fright. 12. Professional training and coaching. Consider enrolling in public speaking courses or workshops to gain professional guidance and expertise. Working with a public speaking coach can provide personalized strategies to overcome stage fright and develop your public speaking skills. Summarize. Overcoming stage fright is a crucial step in becoming a confident public speaker. By employing techniques such as preparation and rehearsal, deep breathing exercises, visualization, positive self-talk, and gradual exposure, You can gradually conquer your fear and deliver compelling presentations with ease. Engaging with the audience, using humor, practicing mindfulness, seeking support, and learning from experience are also effective strategies to overcome stage fright. Additionally, professional training and coaching can provide valuable insights and personalized guidance on your public speaking journey. Poem. On the stage, I stand with trembling knees. A fear within that's hard to appease. But I shall conquer, I shall prevail. With techniques and courage, I shall unveil. Preparation and rehearsal, my allies so true. Deep breaths and visualizations, I shall pursue. Positive self-talk and gradual exposure. I embrace the challenge, a bold composer. Engaging with the audience, I create a connection. Humor and mindfulness, my secret protection. Support from loved ones, a comforting embrace. Learning from experience, I grow with grace. Step by step, I conquer the stage fright. With each presentation, I shine with might. Confidence blooms, like a flower in bloom. I am a public speaker, dispelling all gloom. Song. Verse 1. I stand before the crowd, my heart pounds in my chest. Stage fright tries to hold me back, but I won't be oppressed. I've got my techniques and methods, I'm ready to break free. Overcoming my fears, a confident speaker I will be. Chorus. I'll prepare and rehearse, till I know every line. Deep breaths will calm me, and relaxation will be mine. Positive self-talk will lift me up, I'll believe in my own worth. With gradual exposure, I'll conquer the stage, my rebirth. Verse 2. I'll engage with the audience, make eye contact with a smile. Using humor and mindfulness, I'll captivate them for a while. Support from my loved ones, their encouragement I hold tight. Learning from each experience, I'll grow in my own light. Chorus. I'll prepare and rehearse, till I know every line. Deep breaths will calm me, and relaxation will be mine. Positive self-talk will lift me up, I'll believe in my own worth. With gradual exposure, I'll conquer the stage, my rebirth. Bridge. With each step I take, I'll gain confidence and poise. I'll face my fears head on, no longer hiding in the noise. I'll seek professional guidance, learn from the best. Unleashing my inner speaker, I'll surpass every test. Chorus. I'll prepare and rehearse, till I know every line. Deep breaths will calm me, and relaxation will be mine. Positive self-talk will lift me up, I'll believe in my own worth. With gradual exposure, I'll conquer the stage, my rebirth. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.